You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 6.1. Let's solve it step by step. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 8.41 times 10 equals 84.1. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 84.1 minus 5 equals 79.1. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 7.9 times 10 equals 79. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 79 minus 6 equals 73. 79.1 minus 73 equals 6.1. And so the final result is 6.1.